Hey Sana, congratulations on your new self-sustaining farm. What a cool concept.
Hey Anisha, thank you so much. I've been wanting to do this for a while now.
Oh, that's interesting. How did you afford it? It sounds like an expensive venture.
Well, I invested in mid-cap funds.
Mid-cap funds? What are those?
A mid-cap fund is an equity mutual fund that primarily invests in companies ranked 101 to 250 by market capitalization. These companies are typically in their growing phase and may offer opportunities for risk-adjusted returns.
That's amazing. I'm definitely going to check them out.
You should. Just make sure to align your investments with your goals and do thorough research before investing. On top of investment की हर जानकारी, progressive and focused है ये extraordinary. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.